If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. You're here for us, and I feel their aura, but just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you.